Well, good morning and happy Mother's Day. I opened the door to find two lovely flowers out the back door, and not sure who dropped them off, but thank you very much. I want to take the opportunity to say happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. Whether you're, that you had a child and are a mother, or if you're one of those women out there that are moms, those special people that take care of children, whether you're a mentor or a next door neighbor or an aunt, happy Mother's Day. Boy, when that sun goes in, it gets chilly. I need to check for meadow again. Even after raking them, I couldn't see the nails. It's always good to go after rains. What I'm doing is, now that I'm mowing grass, along the edges the weeds are going to come up and things like that. So I want to make sure that there's no metal that my tractor tire can get punctured. Every time you rake and go back over it, you think you had them all and you find some more. Now the rain's coming, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this for the day, and then tomorrow I'll rake again after the rains, and I'm sure I'll bring up some more. This wood ash will be great over some of the plants and in the raised beds. So what I want to do is get it in the wheelbarrow, get the metal out of it, and then it'll be ready for when I buy the plants. Of course, I forgot my shovel. This is what makes it so good, is this chunks of half-burnt wood in there. That'll break down and fertilize very well. See, I'm just taking the magnet and taking it through the ash, and up they come. Usually I have a place I dump in a ravine, and I usually just dump and not really worry about it because cars aren't there, and this will all break down, this metal. But since I'm going to put it in the garden, I don't want anyone to get stuck with a rusty nail. Too bad I wasn't panning for gold.
not sure this is a wise move, but she's gonna try it.
No.
Oh, that's heavy. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay, go. Wide turn, wide turn. We'll just do it. Keep going. Okay, good, thank you. Well, that's it for today, my self-reliant peeps. I'm gonna call it a day. I hope everyone had a nice Mother's Day. It was a beautiful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.